If you've seen bundleclear.com online, you might be wondering one thing. Is this website actually legit? Or is it just another scam? Well, I decided to take a closer look. And honestly, there are some serious red flags here. First, bundleclear.com appears to be a relatively new website. Its domain was registered in June 2026. That alone does not mean it's a scam, but it does mean there isn't much history to prove that the store is trustworthy. I also checked some website safety reports, and this is where things get concerning. Scam Advisor currently gives bundleclear.com a very low trust score. It also describes the website as very likely unsafe. Gridinsoft is even more concerning. It gives bundleclear.com a trust score of just 9 out of 100. The site is classified as a suspicious shop. There are also warnings about limited independent reviews and fake shop risk. Another recent report says some customers have allegedly experienced products that didn't match the advertisements, or orders that never arrived. Now, I want to be fair. These automated checks do not automatically prove that bundleclear.com is a scam, but when several warning signs appear together, I would definitely be careful. Personally, I would not rush to place an order here. If you're thinking about buying, research the company first. Look for real customer feedback. Check the return policy. And use a payment method with buyer protection.